guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hi everyone! So this is chapter 21. May I know your age? What? You won't sell it to me if I'm too young? Nga naman. Ibenta mo na kasi para mas dumami pa yung makuha niya ng mga herbs. Oh, that's not what I mean. Please don't get me wrong. Xing Xin, tama ba yung pagbasa ko? Who's in charge of your finances is absent. He'll be back in 2 or 3 days. I hope you come back when he's back. Bad timing. Ayun na naman yung mga kalbo boys. Mga bald babies. Diba? What were you guys doing? We were not staring at you. No, not you. Nakatingin naman sa kanya. Why me? Pretty. What? Pretty girls in the city. The flower here is pretty. Yung birthmark niya. Zhao suffered a lot because of this birthmark. Yet, these little monks thought it was pretty. Of course, di ba ang monks, nag-appreciate talaga sila ng little things around them. Well, that's what I know. Want some candy? We can take your food. Pero naglalaway naman yung dila. Naglalaway naman yung isa. But you monks will ask for almsgiving, right? Ask me for it, and then you'll have these candies. Yun din, tinanggap pa rin nila. I thought there were 4 of you. Where did the other one go? You mean Jinko? He's leaving us. Oh, yung isa, dapat sila. There's a couple who've been married for 10 years but still don't have a child. They'll take Jing Kong and raise him as their own son. Para siyang adapt orphanage. I bet he's gonna be sad when he leaves, right? Ang cute naman pala ni Jing Kong na to. Oh, the cutest name is Jing Kong. He's not gonna be sad at all. He wants to live here so he can eat meat. But he can't eat meat. He gets sick from it. What a dummy. Oh, get sick from it? I don't want him anyway. He's totally a foodie. Abot, what's wrong? Nothing. It just reminds me of something from a long time ago. Oh, feeling ko may alam siya sa nakaraan ni sa mother ni, pangalan nito? Zhao. I had a little drink that night. And I ended up getting drunk. Also that night, I had to imprint the newborn baby with a virginity mark. Tapos lasing ka? Na kaya mo maglagay? My hand was shaky and I accidentally imprinted it on the girl's face. Ay, hala, siya si Zhao. The next morning, I woke up and went to apologize to her mother. Siya yung nag-pray kanina, di ba? Yung girl. Sabi ko na siya yung mama. But the baby in her arms had no marks on her face. No virginity mark at all. Sabi na. No, it's not a dream. But the girl is supposed to be a fair lady. Fairy. La, nag-switch. Oh my gosh, there's a switching happened. That girl is just a villager. May nangyaring hindi natin alam. I'm really late. Gotta cooking for them now? So gotta start cooking for them now dapat to. Grand Aunt, I brought you... Oh, ba't siya natigilan? Daming bisita. Nasa gitna pa si Grand Aunt. Huh? Enough. Dismiss now. Yes, ma'am. Madam na madam ka, auntie ah. Yes. Yeah. Siyang kiyari sa mga babaeng to. Pagkat pag ano na sila kumilos. Excuse me. What has she done? Why did you bow to her? She's telling us about opera. This is how the singers behave. Magbow pala, hindi kayo. Niloloko lang kayo. No, the singers don't behave like this. She's fooling with them. Since when did you know about opera? I don't remember. Itamo to. Naloloko lang yung tita niya. Then what do you remember? Nothing. Wala talaga ng loko lang. Can you stop fooling people? Nope. Talaga. Rejuvenation Hall. Oh, di na ako nabulol. Mr. Shao, did you do as I said? Yes, I fumigated my leg every night before bed. What's fumigated? Dr. Zhang, is his leg recovering? We'll know after the surgery. Surgery? You didn't mention anything about the surgery. Parang siya pa yung asawa. Grabe kung makareact. Best friend lang naman sila. Yeah, because it was not the time yet. Now, after the fumigation, he's ready for the surgery. But, then, surgery it is. Thank you, Dr. Zhang. Casual. Siyempre, ikaw ba naman? Sobrang sakit na ng paa niya. Gusto niya maglakad na ng maayos. Kaya, ganun na siya ngayon. Kahit surgery, papatusin na. Doesn't he care about the risk of the surgery? Or what he really doesn't care about is his life? Have a look. What is this? What's this? It's a consent form for the surgery that needs to be signed by a family member. Consent form. Miss Go asked for it, so I can only do it as she said. But in all my years as a doctor, I've never seen something like this before. Oo nga naman, kasi sa modern world, kailangan mo ng mag-sign ng consent. I'll sign it. Marunong ka pala ng language nila. Marunong ka ng letters nila. O diba, tunganga ka ngayon. Shoot, I don't know how to write my name with their characters. Hindi siya makapagsulat. Ayun. Tinulungan siya ni Hubby. My Hubby! Di ba? Ang sweet-sweet. Seryoso masyado. Hindi siya marunong magsulat eh. And start agad ang operation. How's he doing now? He's already taken some anesthesia powder and he's sleeping inside. Siya mag-opera? Oh, of course. She's the doctor, right? I was hoping to watch the surgery up close. Yet, it seems Miss Go doesn't plan so. Ayaw niya, syempre, yung sterile, di ba? Wala, mag-start na talaga siya. In-injection na niya ang kanyang asawa ng injection. Okay, start na siya. Phew. Tapos ka na? Nag-view ka palagi. Diba? I-injection na niya. O operahan na niya. Oh my goodness. Let's get started. Diba? So, this is the end of chapter 21. Let's see in the next chapter if the surgery will all be successful or not. And about the monks, I want to know what's up with the monks. And I want to know the real mother of Zhao. So that's it for now, guys. See you in the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.